All right, let's get into it. What up, YouTube? Daniel4619. Getting into some little cards here. This is a porcelain Mark McGuire. Trying to get the lighting right. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to do this. Probably should have did this before. Something like that. Anyway, this thing, it's made out of porcelain. Oh, you know, well, yeah, you could kind of, I don't know, see through it there. Yeah, it's like porcelain. So, limited to 198. It looks like 51, hand numbered, limited edition. Topps company, but then it says made in China. 97 season highlights. I watched Mark McGuire when my dad lived in St. Louis, and he had Blast 50 homers. Yeah, everybody was juiced up on him. Oh gosh, I can't believe I said that, juiced up on. Everybody at the Cardinals were juiced up on him, and they were. Ooh, that looks nice. Yeah. There's another Mark McGuire diamond cuts. I'm gonna throw these in my binder, getting some 90s binder action, so I'm gonna do that. It's kind of a thicker card there, those diamond cuts. Let's see what's next. We got Dan Marino, playoff X's and O's. That's pretty cool. Kind of get your play going there. Put that in the binder. Got a Ricky Williams, Saints, star glazing. Gosh, that's hard to see. Yeah, far away it looks better. Playoff momentum. Oh, number to 75. Cool. So we got another Marino. Explosive. Gonna put that in my binder. In the binder. Pretty much most of these, or all of these, are gonna be put in the binder. This is a COMC order. There is one card that I got individually. I thought it was going to be lost, but Ionics. Oh shoot, the pizza's ready. I'm gonna pause it. All right, I'm gonna just tag that in there. FX, Dan Marino, Ionics, Power FX upper deck, 1999. So, what is next? This is 1996 Fleer metal. Let's see. This is a good one. All right, Abreu Rave. So, pull that boy out. Got a Rave. Number to 150. Not the super wet Rave, but the Rave. Oh yeah, far away is the best. Look at that. Yeah, it's all sparkly. Yeah, I mainly saw him on TV with the playing for the Yankees. Right before I got married, right around that time frame. 27 out of 50, the Rave. So, got that for a really good deal. That one I'm gonna leave in the top loader. I don't know. It's kind of a little special to me, so I'm just gonna put that with the. So the is this the last one? Yeah, last one. I thought this card got lost. I bought it off eBay for like $5 or something. I forgot. Something like that. And it said it arrived Thursday of last week. Today is Wednesday. Almost an entire week went by. And I just thought, I don't know. Dot Matrix Dan Marino. This is... Last but definitely not least. Gosh, that is great looking card. 1996 Topps Company. And it is, yeah. So, and that will do it. The other ones, they just because, so I can't show that. So, alrighty, YouTube. Y'all have fun at the National. Man, it's hotter than it's ever been. So what does that say about the hurricane season, right? Oh, they say what? If the Gulf is real hot, that produces hurricanes. So we shall see. I picked up a WAKIZASHI by the company Cloudhammer. From rvakatana.com. Went to the shop myself and picked it up. It's S5 shock steel. This is the kind is Riptide. So let's see. Yeah, it's like razor sharp, this thing. Ooh, that was a bad one. All right, let's try. Man, thing is killer. So it's like leather. And then I'll show another side of So there's the Riptide right there. That's made out of silver and brass. And this is leather, extremely tight. And that little emblem there, that's made out of silver. And then the Riptide on the bottom. But yeah. Just the details of everything is just crazy. But I'll put the link below, rvakatana.com. I mean, man, this leather's so tight on there, it's not loose or nothing. So